when she was a teenager, isn't it true that the defendant had such anger towards her mother, Sandy, that she treated her like crap?
Yes.
And isn't it true that they argued all the time, right?
Yes.
And isn't it true that during that time, the defendant hit Sandy for no reason, right?
Yes.
And this was all before this June 4th, 2008 incident, right?
But it's irrelevant for the
Am
diagnosis.
I asking you that? That was sometime in April of 2008, right?
Yes.
She was no longer a teenager there, was she?
No.
And in that instance, there was a circumstance when, as you read her journal, and you told us you read her journal, the defendant's mother, Sandy, came out here to help her with the move to Eureka, right?
Yes.
And during that time, Jodi got very upset and yelled at Sandy, right?
Yes.
And isn't it true that the defendant and Sandy never got along, right?
Correct.
And Jodi, or the defendant, was always mean to Sandy, and no one knows why, right?
Correct.
Additionally, isn't it true that at some point, one of the times that they were together, they were sitting down for dinner or something, and isn't it true that the defendant got mad and kicked Sandy for no reason?
Previous objection.
Overruled. Correct?
I read that, yes.
For no reason, right?
Well, that's what it says, yes.
Yeah.
According to the report of Ms. Arias, her anger towards her mother became more focused and more intense as a result of her incarceration. Now, we don't know for sure whether she was more angry because she was incarcerated or whether this was a reaction to the trauma that she suffered. Nonetheless, the criteria was met, and in my clinical judgment, I made that call, and I stand behind it.